Chapter 4 Spreadsheet Formulae and Functions. Let us know about what is a spreadsheet. Here MS Excel is known as spreadsheet. It is a computer application for organization, analysis and storage of data in tabular form. Cell and range references. A cell or cell reference identifies a cell's position on our sheet. It identifies a group or of cells and other positions on our sheet. And reference tell a computer, reference tell a Microsoft Excel formula and other Microsoft Excel features where to obtain a value or group of values. Here you can see like B1, it refers to the cell in the first row and column B. You can say a cell is combination of both row and column. Operators are like symbols used in a formula to define the relationship between two or more cell references or two or more values. First, see arithmetic operators. These are used to do calculation on the numbers. Some common arithmetic operators. You can see here the symbols are used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percent, exponentiation. And some comparison operators are used to compare two or more than two values. These are the common comparison operators like equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Then how you can enter a formula within the cell in MS Excel. These are the mathematical equations. They are useful for establishing the relationship between two or more cells. Some steps are given here. Click on the cell which you want to enter formula, then type equal sign to start the formula. You must have to place equal sign before you start writing any value and all. Then click on the first cell whose value you want to enter into the formula. Then cell reference is automatically entered after equal sign. Then you have to mention any operator for the formula that what you want to calculate. Then click on the next cell to enter the value. Then the second cell reference is also entered. And now repeat the above two steps to enter the value of other cells. At last press enter key. Then you can get a result immediately and you can see the formula in the formula bar. What is AutoSum? It is used to add together a range of cells and displays the total in the cell below the selected range. Then copying a formula. The formula can be copied using various methods. Like click on the cell that contains formula, then click on the copy icon located on the formatting toolbar, or you can press the shortcut key is Ctrl C. Then click on the cell where the formula is to be copied. Then click on the paste icon located on the formatting formatting toolbar, or press Ctrl plus V for paste. This both are the shortcut keys, Ctrl C and Ctrl V for paste, Ctrl C for copy. Then press escape key to exit the copy mode. Here's some basic rule you have to keep it in your mind. When a formula is copied, all the cell references that it contains are changed relative to the destination cell. Destination cell means your target cell where you want to paste. What is autofill? It is a basic feature of MS Excel. It copies a logical series of values, labels or formulas. Then errors in Excel. Error means any mistake. Like sometimes when we enter value or formula in Excel, we get some errors instead. And an error is in Excel is marked by has sign. Some of the common errors in Excel are like has value, then name, then div slash o, then has. These all are for different type of errors, like slash value. Any error occurs when we try to enter a text value in a formula or any function that operates on numbers. Then slash name question mark. This error occurs when we misspell a formula or cell range. Then slash divide div slash o. That is, this error occurs when a formula attempts to divide any value by 0. Then multiple slash, this error is displayed when the values entered in the cell are too big to fit in the current cell size. Then if you increase the cell size, it removes this error. Then slash num, this error occurs when an invalid argument is applied to an extra function. Then has ref, this error occurs when a cell referred to in a formula is deleted. Functions are predefined formulas that performs calculations using specific values in a particular order. These are divided in various categories like text functions, date and time functions, then statistical, logical, mathematical. In these text functions, lower upper concatenant, then left right, these functions will come. Then in date and time functions, time, now, today, you can easily find out what date you are finding, or today's date, time, and everything. In statistical, that maximum, minimum, countive, what are the maximum value, what are the minimum value. And logical, and, or, true, not. In statistical, sum, square root, power, average. How you can entering a function with cell, entering a function, like the steps are given here. Like click on the cell where you want to enter the function, then click on the insert function button. The insert function dialog box will appear. Then click on the down arrow button to select a category of functions, what type of function you want to apply. Then click on the category you want to use. Then now select a function you want to use and click on OK. Then the function arguments dialog box will appear. Then next step is click on the cell that contains the first number. Click on the next box to enter the next number. Then repeat the above steps to enter the cell reference. Then after the numbers are entered, click on OK. The result will appear in the cell. These are the basic method to entering function and to find out any result.